Hello and welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for top-rated and best-selling products on Amazon. I'm thrilled to have you with us today. I'm here to guide you through an exciting countdown of the best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a professional mechanic, or someone simply looking to maintain your vehicle, we've got you covered with the top picks in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, coming in at number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon, we present to you Johnson's 4611 Power Steering Fluid, 1 gallon. This isn't just a bottle of fluid, it's a safeguard for your vehicle's steering system. Imagine driving down the road with the confidence that your power steering is at its peak performance. That's what Johnson's 4611 promises. It's not just any power steering fluid, it's a high-quality elixir engineered to elevate and sustain your vehicle's steering capabilities. First, let's talk about noise. We've all experienced that irritating squeak or groan from a stressed steering system. Johnson's 4611 tackles this head-on. Its superior formulation halts those annoying sounds in their tracks, ensuring a smooth, silent ride. But that's not all. Steering slip? A thing of the past. This fluid doesn't just lubricate, it conditions. It's designed to grip and hold, keeping your steering precise and responsive. No more unexpected slips, no more wrestling with the wheel. Just pure, effortless control. Wear and tear, the inevitable enemy of all moving parts. Johnson's 4611 is your vehicle's armor. It doesn't just protect, it fortifies. By preventing unusual wear, it extends the life of your power steering system, saving you from costly repairs and replacements down the line. And let's not forget the seals, those small but crucial components that keep everything in check. Johnson's 4611 is formulated to protect these seals, preventing leaks and maintaining the integrity of your steering system. In essence, Johnson's 4611 Power Steering Fluid is not just a product, it's a promise of quiet, smooth, and precise steering, a promise of durability and protection. It's a blend of quality and reliability, all in a single gallon. So whether you're a seasoned driver or a weekend road warrior, Johnson's 4611 ensures your journey is as smooth as your destination. Drive with confidence, drive with Johnson's. Coming in strong at number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon is the Honda 0820-69002 PE Power Steering Fluid Pack of 3. This isn't just any fluid, it's the quintessential choice for every Honda owner. For those who drive a Honda, you know precision and performance are non-negotiable. The Honda 0820-69002 PE isn't merely a power steering fluid, it's a commitment to maintaining the integrity and excellence of your vehicle. This pack of 3 is tailor-made for all Honda models. Yes, all. Whether you're cruising in a Civic, commanding an Accord, or exploring in a CR-V, this fluid is engineered to meet the exacting standards set by Honda. No compromises, no substitutes. Why settle for less? While other manufacturers' power steering fluids might claim compatibility, they can actually harm your Honda's steering system. The Honda 0820-69002 PE is specifically manufactured for Honda vehicles, ensuring seamless operation and unmatched protection. This is not just about performance, it's about safeguarding your vehicle's longevity. These are genuine OEM Honda parts. What does that mean? Original equipment manufacturer. It means you're getting the same high-quality fluid that was designed and tested by Honda's engineers. It's the fluid that your vehicle was built to use, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. In the world of automotive care, using genuine parts is paramount. The Honda 0820-69002 PE Power Steering Fluid is a testament to this principle. It guarantees that your Honda remains a Honda, performing at its peak with every turn of the wheel. So, whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a road trip, trust in the Honda 0820-69002 PE. It's more than just a fluid, it's the lifeline of your steering system, crafted to keep you in control and your vehicle in pristine condition. Remember, your Honda deserves the best. With the Honda 0820-69002 PE Power Steering Fluid Pack of 3, that's precisely what it gets. Embrace the journey with confidence, knowing your Honda's steering system is in the best possible hands. Sliding into the number 3 spot on our countdown of best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon, we present Bars Leaks High Mileage Power Steering Repair It, 16.9 ounces. This isn't just another bottle of fluid, it's a revolutionary solution for high mileage vehicles. Let's talk about performance. With a unique dual cavity bottle, Bars Leaks Power Steering Repair. It combines top-tier performance additives to tackle the most common power steering problems. Imagine the silence as it reduces noise and the ease as it smooths out hard steering. It's like giving your vehicle a second wind, a rejuvenating elixir for your aging power steering system. Leaking fluid? No problem. Bars Leaks goes beyond merely topping off existing fluid. It's formulated to stop leaks and recondition your rack and pinion. Whether you're low on fluid or doing a full change, just add this bottle and watch it work its magic. Your steering system will feel brand new, ready to take on any road, domestic or import. Performance restoration is key. Bars Leaks isn't picky. It's compatible with all vehicles, whether domestic or import. It understands your car's needs and meets them with precision. A seamless blend with any type of power steering fluid or ATF, be it petroleum, mineral oil, or synthetic. This fluid is versatile and effective. Protection is paramount. This repair fluid doesn't just fix issues. It provides ongoing protection for your steering system. It's the guardian angel of your vehicle's power steering, ensuring longevity and reliability. With Bars Leaks, you're not just addressing problems, you're preventing future ones. In essence, Bars Leaks High Mileage Power Steering Repair? It is the all-in-one solution for high mileage vehicles. It's a problem solver, a performance enhancer, and a protective shield. It's the trusted companion for your car's steering system, ensuring every drive is smooth, quiet, and leak-free. So if your vehicle is showing signs of age, don't just maintain it, restore it. With Bars Leaks, you can drive confidently, knowing your power steering system is in the best possible hands. Experience the difference with Bars Leaks High Mileage Power Steering Repair It. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon? Well, don't let your enthusiasm steer away. Make sure to shift into gear by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a fluid review. At the impressive number 2 spot in our top 5 best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon, we introduce you to the Prestone AS 262 Power Steering Fluid with Stop Leak, 12 ounces. This isn't just a fluid, it's a comprehensive solution for maintaining and enhancing your vehicle's steering system. Imagine driving with absolute confidence, knowing your power steering system is running seamlessly. Prestone AS 262 is meticulously designed to keep your system in prime condition, ensuring every turn is smooth and effortless. But it does more than just maintain. It actively combats one of the most frustrating issues, fluid loss due to leaky seals. This fluid is not just high-quality oil. It's a powerhouse of additives formulated to revitalize your steering system. Dried, shrunken, and hardened seals? Prestone AS 262 breathes new life into them, stopping leaks in their tracks and restoring your system's integrity. Whether you drive a GM, Ford, Chrysler, or almost any foreign car or light truck, this fluid is developed for compatibility across a wide range of vehicles. It's a universal savior for your steering system, ensuring no car is left behind. Protection is key, and Prestone AS 262 excels here too. Fortified with anti-wear agents, it safeguards your pump components, preventing premature wear and tear. It's like a shield, ensuring longevity and reliability in your vehicle's steering system. And let's not forget about corrosion. Metal components are vulnerable, but Prestone AS 262 includes corrosion inhibitors that protect these parts from rust and decay. Your power steering system remains robust and durable, no matter the conditions. In summary, Prestone AS 262 Power Steering Fluid with Stop Leak is more than just a top-selling product. It's an essential part of your vehicle's maintenance regimen. It stops leaks, revitalizes seals, protects components, and ensures your steering system operates at its best. So, equip your vehicle with Prestone AS 262 and experience the confidence of knowing your power steering is in expert hands. Smooth drives, reliable performance, and a steering system that stands the test of time. That's the promise of Prestone AS 262. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our countdown. Taking the prestigious #1 spot in the top 5 best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon is the Quicksilver 858075Q01 Power Trim and Steering Fluid, 32 ounces, bottle. This isn't just another fluid, it's the ultimate hydraulic powerhouse designed to keep your steering and trim systems running at their absolute best. Quicksilver 858075Q01 stands out with its superior quality and universal compatibility. Imagine a hydraulic fluid so versatile, it seamlessly mixes with all existing hydraulic fluids in power trim and steering systems. This isn't just convenience, it's a commitment to maintaining your vehicle's performance without compromise. What sets Quicksilver apart? Its formulation is designed to protect and enhance. It safeguards seals and hoses, preventing the common enemies of foaming, oxidation, and corrosion. With Quicksilver, your hydraulic system remains robust and resilient, ready to tackle any challenge. Foaming is a nuisance that can disrupt performance. Quicksilver 858075Q01 has been meticulously engineered to prevent this. It ensures your hydraulic system operates smoothly, without the interruption of bubbles or foam, providing a consistent and reliable steering experience. Oxidation and corrosion can wreak havoc on your vehicle's components, but not with Quicksilver. This fluid includes advanced inhibitors that prevent these destructive processes, extending the life of your system and maintaining peak efficiency. Recommended for all outboard and stern drive applications, Quicksilver 858075Q01 is the go-to choice, except for electric power steering systems. Whether you're navigating open waters or cruising on the highway, this fluid delivers unparalleled performance and protection. In conclusion, Quicksilver 858075Q01. Power trim and steering fluid is not just the #1 bestseller, it's the gold standard in hydraulic fluids. It mixes effortlessly with other fluids, protects critical components, and ensures your power steering and trim systems function flawlessly. So, elevate your vehicle's performance with Quicksilver 858075Q01. Experience the pinnacle of hydraulic fluid technology where superior quality meets unmatched reliability. Your steering system deserves nothing less than the best, and Quicksilver delivers exactly that. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling power steering fluids on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon. And